The impact wrench, model 1000N, offers an impressive torque of 1000 Newton meters, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks like car repairs and construction projects. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this impact wrench delivers a top speed of 6,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring a longer lifespan and quieter operation. This tool's 3-in-1 functionality allows it to serve as an impact gun, a screwdriver, and more, making it versatile for various applications such as wheel nuts and furniture assembly. A built-in LED light enhances visibility in dim conditions, and its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use over extended periods without causing fatigue. The package includes two high-capacity 4000 milliampere-hour batteries, which extend usage time by 50% and allow for rapid 1-hour charging. The comprehensive kit comes with multiple accessories, including sockets and screwdriver bits, all neatly stored in a portable toolbox.